Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 316, a studio on the 3rd floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the kitchen is immediately to your right. It is a nice open kitchen with an electric oven and range. There's your sink, plenty of counter space, cupboards. Across from that section is your refrigerator and an additional cupboard, and your microwave and a built-in breakfast bar. This apartment is an example of an unfurnished unit. You bring all your own furniture and arrange it however you like. The windows face east. You get plenty of bright morning light and a limited view of the buildings next door. Every unit is air conditioned and has a heating element. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. Another great feature of this particular apartment is the storage room. Your 2 closets are here. Closet 1 and closet 2. And you also have some additional floor space where you can put a bookcase or some shelving units, whatever works for you. Finally, there is the bathroom, a nice bathroom with a vanity and a medicine cabinet and a shower and bathtub combo. Rent for Commons West apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 316. Call us today for availability.